The Smart Schools Online with Smart Computing, Book 5 for Class 5. Computer Studies video lesson number 1 from chapter number 5. More on logo primitives. Students, Assalamu alaikum. This is the first video lesson from chapter number 5. More on logo primitives. In this video lesson, we shall discuss introduction to logo, the commands such as pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen paint, show, show lowercase, show uppercase, show count, show time, repeat, drawing a circle and a semicircle from page number 38 to 45 of your textbook. Time duration for this lesson is 70 minutes and the resources required are online with Smart Computing Book 5, pen, blue sheets, notebooks. And if you have logo on your computers, it will be an additional resource. Students, by the end of this video lesson, we shall be able to recall the use of FD, BK, RT, LT logo commands, use pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen paint logo commands, use show, show uppercase, show lowercase, show count, show time logo commands, use repeat command to draw polygons, draw a circle or a semicircle using repeat command. Students, before continuing to this video lesson, you are requested to please open up your textbook and read from page number 38 to 45. Recall the use of FD, BK, RT, and LT commands of logo. Observe the use of PU, PD, PE, PPT commands using illustrations on page number 38 to 40. Observe the use of show command with show lowercase, show uppercase, show count, show time. Observe how to use repeat command for drawing polygons, circles, and semicircles. And I'm sharing one link with you so that you can download Microsoft Windows logo from this link. Note down this link and you can download the logo program from the internet. Dear students, do you know what logo is? Yes, logo is a computer programming language. It is a simple computer language used to teach programming concepts to junior students. The main character in logo is called turtle, which looks like a triangle. Some basic commands of logo are FD, BK, RT, LT, CS, CT, HT, ST, print, and label. We shall discuss these commands in detail. We can also use logo commands to do mathematics, such as addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers, multiplication of numbers, and division of numbers, etc. Students, let's recall some of the basic commands of logo that we have covered in the previous classes so that you recall them and you remember them, how to use them in your logo programming. FD command, or simply forward command. This command is used to move the turtle forwards. For example, FD 100. It will move the turtle 100 points forward. BK, or backward command. This command is used to move the turtle backward. For example, BK 50. It will move the turtle 50 points in the backward direction. RT command is right command. This command turns the turtle to a given angle to the right, for example, RT 90. It will turn the turtle 90 degrees to the right. LT, or left command. This command is used to turn the turtle to the left, for example, LT 45. it will turn the turtle 45 degrees to the left. CS or clear screen command. This command is used to clear the turtle playground. CT or clear text command. This command clears the text in the command window of the logo screen. HT or hide command. This command is used to hide the turtle. ST or show turtle command. This command is used to show the turtle after you have hidden it. Set H or set heading commands. This command is used to turn the turtle's head in the direction defined by a given number of steps. For example, SETH 45. Print command. This command is used to print the number or text in the recall list box. For example, print 2 plus 5. It will show you 7 in the recall list box. Label command. This command is used to display the text or numbers in the drawing area. For example, label 6 minus 2. It will show you 4 in the direction of the turtle in the drawing area. Students, we can also use logo to perform calculations. For example, we can add numbers, multiply numbers, subtract numbers, divide numbers. The commands which we use for these calculations are sum. This command is used to add numbers. For example, print sum 2, 3, 4. It will show you the sum of the numbers 2, 3, and 4. Difference command is used to subtract the second number from the first number. For example, print difference 8, 4. It will subtract 4 from 8 and it will show you 4 in the command list box. Product. This command is used to multiply two numbers. For example, product 3, 4. It will show you 12 as your answer. Quotient is used to divide the first number from the second number. For example, print quotient 8, 2. It will divide 8 by 2 and will show you the answer 4. Here in this unit, we shall discuss logo primitives. The first primitive that we are going to discuss is pen up or PU. This command is used to lift the turtle pen from the drawing area. When we type pen up command or PU command, the turtle does not draw anything when we move it forward or backward. As you can see in this picture here, that FD50, the turtle has moved from this point to this point. Then PU, the turtle has been lifted from this point. FD50, the turtle has again moved from this point to 50 units, but again while moving it has not drawn anything. Whereas in the first case, when I have used the FD command, it has drawn a line here. Pen erase command. This command is used to erase any incorrect lines from your drawing. Here, as you can see in this example, if you want to use or erase any incorrect lines, then you type this command and draw again. For example, here in the first part of this image, FD50, the turtle has moved 50 points forward, then it has turned 90 degrees to the right. Then FD50, from this point, it has moved 50 points to the right side. Then RT90, it has turned 90 degrees to the right. FD50, it has come back to this point after reading this command, and then RT90, it has turned to the right 90 degrees. FD90 has drawn this long line and the turtle has stopped over here. The turtle started moving from this point, reached this point, then here, then it has come up to this here. But you want to draw a square. Here you see that this line is extra, which is not required. So if you want to erase this line, you type PE, which is pen erase command after FD90. Back 90 will take the turtle from this point to this point again, and when you type FD50, it will come back to this point. As you can see in this figure here, the extra line has been removed, and after that I have used HT command. HT has hidden the turtle, and I've got a perfect square here. One more thing, that BK90 has made the turtle move 90 points backward, but if you use BK40, it will turn from this point to this point and this portion will be erased. You can do it in either way as you like. Pen paint command. This command tells the turtle to start drawing again. This command is used after pen erase command. If you do not type pen paint command or PPT command, the turtle will move, but it will not draw any lines. Now, let's discuss show command. This command is similar to print command. This command is used to display the numbers or text in the commander window, but this command is used in combination with some other commands. For example, show lowercase, show uppercase, show count, show time. Show lowercase command. This command is used to show the letters in their lowercase. For example, show lowercase inverted commas open logo. When you type this command, the computer will show you logo in the lowercase characters here, as you can see in this example. Okay, but when you type lowercase, you always put this inverted commas, and after putting this inverted commas, you type the word which you want to display in the lowercase format. Show uppercase. This command is used to display the text in the uppercase. For example, show uppercase logo. Here you can see that the word logo is written in the lowercase. When you type it after show uppercase and inverted commas, then the word, and when you execute this command, it will print logo in the commander window. You see that here the logo is in the uppercase format. Show count command. This command will count the number of characters in a word. For example, here show count inverted commas open logo. When you type logo, logo has 4 characters, LOGO. It will show 4 in the commander window as logo has 4 characters. Show time. This command is used to display the current time on the screen. For example, show time. It will display the current time on your screen. Repeat command. Sometimes we need to perform one action again and again. When we do it in a programming language, it becomes a tedious and a tiring job. To avoid this frustration, we make use of this repeat command in logo. It will perform the same action as typing a command again and again. For example, here repeat for FD50 RT90. We want to draw a square with side 50 points. If I type FD50 RT90, then FD50, then RT90, then FD50, then RT90, then FD50, then RT90, then it will draw a square. But instead of making so much confusion, I have used here repeat 4. It means it will repeat the same action 4 times. Number of times the commands are to be repeated. Here it is 4. FD50 RT90, it will repeat 50 times forward 4 times, and it will turn the turtle 90 degrees to the right 4 times. This command is used to draw a regular polygon such as triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, etc. But again, we have used only one command with repeat 4 times command, and it will perform the same action as if typing the same command again and again. We can also use repeat command to draw circle. Here, as you can see here, a circle has no straight sides. First thing, to draw a circle, type the following command using repeat command such as repeat 36, FD10, RT10. It will move 10 points forward, then it will turn the turtle 10 degrees to the right, or repeat 36, FD5, RT5. It will move, repeat this command 36 times, and it will turn for make the turtle move forward 5 points, and it will then turn the turtle to 5 degrees, and it will repeat the same process for 36 times. And when you execute this command, you will see a circle drawn here, as you can see in this figure. You can use repeat command to draw semicircles as well. For example, here you see a semicircle that is drawn over here by using repeat command. To draw a semicircle, type the following command using repeat. For example, repeat 180, FD1, RT1, or repeat 180, FD1, LT1. If you move to the right side, you will see the turtle here on this side. If you use the second part, you will see the turtle here. Again, this is a semicircle formed by using the repeat command of logo. Students, I want you to please practice these commands on your computers. Now, let's recap what we have covered in this video lesson. Logo is a simple computer programming language. Basic commands of Logo are forward, backward, right, left, clear screen, clear text, label, print, etc. PU command is used to lift the turtle pen up. PD command is used to put the turtle pen down. PE command is used to erase incorrect lines. PPT command is used after using PE command. After using this command, the turtle will start writing again. Show command is used with other commands such as show lowercase, show uppercase, show count, show time, etc. Repeat command is used to do an action again and again. Students, after going through this video lesson, I ask you to please write down the answers of these questions in your notebooks and show them to your computer teacher. Which command is used to erase the incorrect lines in a drawing? Which command is used to change the lowercase to uppercase? What is the basic use of repeat command? Write the use of show time, show count, show lowercase, show uppercase commands. Write the steps to draw polygon. Students, I hope that you have enjoyed this video lesson. Till next time, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.